Hey, so if your style is not applying in Leonardo AI, yeah, like you select a style, but the image looks unchanged or ignores it completely, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure the style is actually selected before generating. I mean, sometimes it doesn't apply if it's not properly clicked. Next, yeah, your prompt might be too strong or too vague. I mean, add clear style instructions like anime style or realistic cinematic look. Now, don't mix too many styles at once. I mean, conflicting styles can cancel each other out. Yeah, some models handle style presets better than others. Try switching the model and regenerate. Now, if there's a style strength slider, increase it. I mean, low strength may not show noticeable changes. Yeah, cached settings can prevent style updates from applying properly. Clearing cache can fix this. Now, session bugs can stop styles from applying. Logging out and back in refreshes everything. Yeah, extensions can interfere with UI settings and style loading. Try disabling them. If nothing works, switch browsers or devices. I mean, this helps confirm if the issue is local. So yeah, that's how you fix style not applying in Leonardo AI. Most of the time, it's prompt issues, conflicting styles, or browser glitches. Try these steps and your styles should work again. Thanks for